smoke alarms save lives. It's irresponsible not to have them in your home, and these days they're inexpensive and they're so easy to install and maintain. Before you put the alarm up anywhere, read the instructions. As well as giving you the installation guide, it'll give you an idea where you can and can't put it. Basically, stay away from the bathroom or the kitchen, but you can put them in any other living area. I've decided to position this in the centre of the family room. It's as simple as putting 2 screws into the mounting bracket. And once it's installed, test it. Remember to test your smoke alarm regularly. And here's a handy hint, when you change your watch for daylight saving, change your smoke alarm batteries. I'm Chris for Handyman Magazine Hints and Tips. Job done.